At the time when the Quran was being revealed towards the last part of the mission, the Almighty declared that polytheists will not be allowed to enter the territory of Mecca after 1 year of the revelation of that verse. And the idea was that this was to be a punishment for the polytheists for rejecting the message of the Almighty, despite the fact that they had understood it clearly. And thereafter, the people of the book were also ousted from the Arabian Peninsula because of them breaching their treaties with Muslims. That again was a part of the punishment that was inflicted upon the people of the book. But there was another reason, and that was, as I said, breaching of their treaties. Now it's a different scenario. We are Muslims, and there are many people who are non-Muslim. After the Prophet ﷺ, it is simply not possible for any individual or a group of people to present the message of the Almighty in a way as the Prophet did, which would make people be left with no excuses for not accepting the message, which is what is called Itmamul Hujjah. That the evidence has been so clearly completed that those who were communicated with the message of the Almighty are now left with no choice except to acknowledge and enter the fold of Islam. Now, obviously, it's possible for people to say that we're not convinced. We want more evidence. We want to know more. And obviously, one of the ways we can convince at least some non-Muslims is to enable them to enter two holy cities in a way that they don't become a part of the ibadat that are taking place there, but they can go and see what's happening, because the atmosphere there is it is so overwhelming that it can incline and cause some people to believe, to have faith. So my understanding is that this permission should be granted to the non-Muslims today. And the decision that they are not going to be allowed to enter the holy cities was meant for a particular era, and the reasons for that restriction, those reasons are not there anymore.